believe in anything, this is how we should start. We should start by thanking God the Almighty, who has the power and everything, in bringing us together here and again starting our program. I hope you are all ready.
Yes.
To do whatever you are asked to do.
Yes.
Now, this is what we call a horseshoe. I think every one of you know what is a horse. What is a horse? What is a horse, by the way? What is a horse? H-O-R-S-E. What is a horse? Huh? Suo. Very good. And the Wolof said? Pas. Yes. Now, the Fulas, where are we some Fulas? Puchu. What about the Jolas? Puchingel. Serer ko peace. Don't kind of peace. In Serer we say peace. Now, if you look at the line, it has a mouth just like a horseshoe. You know what a shoe is?
Yes.
The horse has a shoe. And if you look at the shoe, there is a mouth.
Yes.
Those of you who have horses nearby, or when you see a horse passing, you just look properly at its shoe. The shoe is like this, and it has a mouth like this. So that is the circle that we are standing on. Whenever you have meetings with your teachers, whenever you are having a camping, any program that is linked with Girl Guides, this is the way you should stand. The mouth there showing the horseshoe. Though it is late, but we are going to start by singing the daylight version. I know you cannot sing it, but if I sing, you sing after me. And before the end of the program, for sure, you will be able to sing it, because I am going to write it on the board, and then you write it, and then we will practice it with you today, likewise tomorrow, so that before you go, you will be able to sing it. So whenever you go back to your various schools and you have meetings, being it Fridays, being it any other day, make sure before you do anything, you stand like as we are standing, and then we sing the song. Now, if I sing, you sing after me.
Yes.
This is what we call the daylight version. We have the evening version, but that one we will sing before going to bed. But for now, it is daylight. We are going to sing the daylight version. If I sing, you sing after me. And please wait until when I land before you pick. Okay, but when you come oji, I'll start chicken. Good. Now, day is done.
Day is done.
Gone the sun.
Gone the sun.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
As we go, this we know, God is nigh.
As we go, this we know, God is nigh.
Day is done.
Day is done.
Gone the sun.
Gone the sun.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
As we go, this we know, God is nigh.
As we go, this we know, God is nigh.
Day is done.
Day is done.
Gone the sun.
Gone the sun.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
From the sea, from the hills, from the sky.
this we know, God is nigh.
As we go, this we know, God is nigh.
Salute, everybody salute. And from the right leg, you say 1, 2. Everybody?
1, 2.
Good. Now, we are going to select a class where we have a board, and then we go in and start business. If you have your pen or pencil or book, then we go inside the class there, and we start business. Everybody, Aja, inside the class. Go inside.